Jaime Bennington criticizes Linkin Park's new vocalist choice, faces backlash from fans. Jaime Bennington, son of the late Chester Bennington, has faced harsh backlash from Linkin Park fans after openly criticizing the band's new lineup, which now includes Emily Armstrong as the replacement vocalist for his father. Linkin Park recently announced their return with Armstrong stepping in as the new lead singer. However, this move has sparked controversy, particularly after Armstrong's alleged ties to Scientology and Danny Masterson, who was convicted of rape, came to light. According to NME, Jaime publicly criticized Mike Shinoda's decision to bring Armstrong on board, especially due to her past association with Masterson. He expressed that this decision disrespects his father's legacy, particularly during Suicide Prevention Awareness Month. "I wanted to believe you would be better people, bring about change. But now, you seem deaf and indifferent," Jaime wrote in a series of Instagram stories. Following his criticism, Jaime revealed that he has been attacked by some Linkin Park fans. He even admitted that he doesn't feel safe attending the band's upcoming comeback concert in Los Angeles. "Some fans told me to kill myself and said other horrible things," he shared. On the other hand, Emily Armstrong has since issued a statement to address her involvement with Masterson. Armstrong acknowledged that she had supported Masterson in court but realized her mistake after the trial revealed the truth, and Masterson was found guilty.